Hey, what's up? Welcome back. So today I'm here with kind of a fun little video. I'm doing an after the haul kind of video. So if you saw my last video, it was my most recent collective haul. So I thought it would be kind of fun to put everything away with y'all. I have never done an after the haul video, but I love watching other people's, so hopefully y'all enjoy this. Not sure at this juncture when my collection and storage video will be up. I hope this month, but I am waiting for some scripts and stuff that I can use as labels to come in before I do that. So as soon as those are in, I will get that video done. But like this situation is one of the reasons why I haven't done it yet. Like it's not cute. So we're going to fix that and then do the collection video. But you'll get a little bit of, I guess, a sneak peek of my system in this video because that is one of my most requested videos. So first I've got the like kind of color, no, these are not color of the weeks. Okay, this is color of the weeks. So first, I'm gonna pop my samplers in. I like to put those at the front, not to be cocky. I just like to have those at the front for easy access. So then I've got the sparkly hollow. So we're gonna pop that right in there, and that's gonna go next to the sparkly silver. So we'll pop the reds in there. Then we've got yellow, so we'll pop that back there, and then our two greens, so we'll pop those there. And then I've got some scribblers, which I will put away in just a little bit, but I didn't bring my character storage over yet, so we'll get to that in a minute. And then I've got a bunch of days of the week. So those are going to go in here. So we've got the plain black up front. Then we've got hollow. Then we've got silver and then a sparkly hollow. So that's that. And then the reading journal stuff. And then my reading journal stuff I'm still storing in the box my journal came in. So we listen and we don't judge. So this is going to be a little sneak peek of my lineup too, because I'm going to go ahead and just put all of the seasonal stuff or all of the stuff that I already have planned to use away right in the lineup slots. So that's the Eras kit. And then okay, we've got the sparkly gold foil for the bookish kit. All right, then we've got the Christmas Cowgirl kit, and then Vintage Noel, and then Deck the 90s, which I will be using for actual Christmas week. And then we've got our Pixie Rainbow Foil for that. Then we've got the Resolutions kit. All right, then we've got the Deck the Halls kit. And then we've got the Blast Off kit. And then we've got the Winter Fairy Tale kit. So I think that's everything lineup-wise. And then I'm going to pop all of these festive underlays and overlays and whatnot just in here, and then I will pair them up later because I have the colors solidified that I want to use, but I don't know what actual patterns and whatnot that I want to use with everything. So that's that. And then we've got like the fall seasonal. This is like not seasonal, but I got it to use with a fall kit. And then we've got this Cafe with Anna kit. And then this Cress Press kit. So those are going to go into my like fall Halloween album. My seasonal albums are like kind of a mess right now, so just don't look at that. So all right, so I'm going to pop these underlays in, and then we'll just pop the kits in the back. So that's that. Oh, there's one more Halloween kit, actually. Hang on. Oh, you know, actually, I have a ton of seasonal in here. What am I talking about? I had a bunch of seasonal that I just already forgot that I hauled like 10 minutes ago. So I'm going to pop the rest of these fall kits in here. So this is my just general kit storage system. If you watched my organization, destash, collection, etc. video from a few months ago, it's all still pretty much the same. So I've just got these Pink Diamond Planner Co. kits to put away. So I'm just going to slot those right back in my Pink Diamond Planner Co. section. And that's that. Super easy, right? And then we've got the Mac Daddy of foil bundles. So I'm going to kind of sort these by color really quickly and then put them away. All right, so my sorting was questionable at best, but first I'm gonna put away my 2 black bundles, and then I've got my blues and greens. So blues go at the front of this section, and then green at the back. We're getting a little tight there. I'll go more into depth in this in my collection and storage video, but the TLDR of it all is that it's core and then rainbow order. So pinks and purples are gonna pop back in here. I should probably do a D-stash. This is a little unhinged. Okay. Oh, I missed a purple, so we'll pop her back there, and rainbow back there, and then I missed a green as well, so we'll pop her back there. All right, then the reds and oranges, and then Sparkly Hollow, which is our second slot, and then our neutrals, which slot right into there. I will have you all know this is the first time in the 10 years that I have been doing planner videos and planner hauls that I have put my stickers away immediately after finishing the haul. So love that for me. But yeah, anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if this is something that you want to see again in the future. So anyway, that's that for this video. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Later days.